Namaste, I am Acharya Pratishtha. There are many people who suffer from the problem of under eye dark circles. Well, if you also feel that you are having under eye dark circles, I would suggest, before giving you some home remedies, I would suggest that you must practice Yoga Nidra every single day, because one of the major reason of under eye dark circles is either it is lack of sleep or stressful life. Some mental stress, mental anxiety is there, which is great. See, all of this is interrelated. It is the stress due to which you can't sleep, or it is because you can't sleep, that's why you have stress or anxiety. So whatever the reason is, yoga, Bharat Yoga is there to help you out. So I'm sharing the link of Yoga Nidra. You must practice it every day. You must also practice Tratak Kriyas every single day. Now let's come to the home remedies. It is very important that you follow 2-3 home remedies. One is take honey and add a little bit of kesar in this honey and apply this mixture under your eyes for, let's say, 10 minutes and then wash your eyes. This is one thing. Second is you must apply castor oil. Take castor oil, just few drops of castor oil, and massage it around your eyes anti-clockwise with a very soft hand, because our eyes are very, very soft and we should be very careful that we should not be harsh in any way with our eyes. Leave it overnight, and next day when you wash your face, it will be washed out. Then twice a week, what you can do is just take juice of raw potato juice, and apply it under your eyes. Let it stay for 10 minutes and then wash your eyes. This is a very simple, these are some very simple tips which you can follow to get rid of the under eye dark circles.